Coming to the fourth bit, 3 equals to 2x plus y. Moving on to the solution. Given equation is 3 equals to 2x plus y, which is linear equation in two variables x and y. We need to draw the graph of this equation. To obtain the graph of linear equation in two variables, it is enough to plot 2 points corresponding to two solutions and join them by a line. Now let us find two solutions of this equation. Expressing y in terms of x, here we get y equals to minus 2x plus 3. Now let us put x equals to 0 in the above equation, then we get y equals to minus 2 times 0 plus 3, that equals to 3. So when x equals to 0, y equals to 3. Hence the ordered pair 0, 3 is one of the solution of given equation. Now let us put x equals to 1 in the above equation, then we get y equals to minus 2 times 1 plus 3, that equals to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So when x equals to 1, y equals to 1. Hence the ordered pair 1, 1 is another solution of given equation. Now let us plot these 2 points on a graph. The first point 0, 3 lies on the y-axis at a distance of 3 units from x-axis along the positive direction of the y-axis. So the point 0, 3 lies here. Now we have to plot the other point 1, 1 on the graph. Starting from the origin, since x-coordinate is given as 1, we move 1 unit from y-axis along the positive direction of the x-axis. And further from this point, since y-coordinate is given as 1, we move 1 unit from x-axis along the positive direction of the y-axis. So the point 1, 1 lies here. So this is the required line joining the 2 points 0, 3 and 1, 1 that represents the given equation 3 equals to 2x plus y graphically.